Since 1919, an organization has been working tirelessly to improve the working conditions of workers and provide them with equal opportunities. Hey, hello everyone. In our today's video, we will discuss about the fundamentals of ILO. Stay with Textile Explorer. Let's take a look at the contents of our today's video. Firstly, we will know what is ILO, then we will know the objectives of ILO. After that, we will explore the composition of ILO, and finally, we will make a conclusion on ILO. So, what is ILO? ILO refers to International Labour Organization. It is the first and oldest specialized agency of United Nations. ILO was founded in 11 April 1919 under League of Nations. ILO is dedicated to improving labor conditions and a living standard of the workers throughout the world. In 1948, the organization was recognized as a subsidiary of the United Nations. The ILO is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Currently, 187 countries of the world are members of this organization. This organization won the Nobel Prize in 1969. The ILO has four principal strategic objectives. Number first, to promote and realize standards and fundamental principles and rights at work. Secondly, to create greater opportunities for women and men to secure decent employment. Number three, to enhance the coverage and effectiveness of social protection for all. And finally, number four, to strengthen tripartism and social dialogue. Now let's explore the composition of ILO. ILO has a tripartite governing body consisting of government, employees, and workers. This governing body is the executive body of the International Labour Organization. It has 56 titular members and 66 deputy members. They meet thrice a year. They meet in March, June, and November. Director General is the head of the organization. Guy Ryder, a British, is now the current Director General of ILO. ILO has been working since its inception to protect the rights of the workers. It has left its remark of success in protecting the fair wages of the workers and in reducing child labor. ILO is still working to create a safe working environment for the workers.